They call this strogification? Looks more like mutilation to me. Barely half of his original body left.
I'll bring a scanner over. Let's see what they've done to his brain.
Amazing. His arm was sheared off with a dirty saw blade.
He must have received a massive dosage of
Ja,
steroids
wie
to
schaut
keep
denn das?
him alive through the
Die
process.
Schönheitschirurgen.
Welcome back, Corporal Kane. May I be the first to say you look like shit.
Son, you've got a lot of Strog hardware attached to you. And we don't have the equipment here to remove it.
Well, that is good, because I would like to take Corporal Kane to a mission briefing.
Frankly, I don't think even one of our advanced medical facilities could do much. Those Strog implants are too deeply connected to your central nervous system.
I will make certain he remains safe. Kane, let us go to the briefing room.
Der Briefing Room. Ja, what? Ja, mir kommt das so wohl, hätten die ein Problem gegeben. Meine Optik.
We need to get to the mission briefing
Schnauze.
soon.
Paging Private Herman. Paging
Geht hinaus,
Private
du.
Paul Herman. Please report to General Harper's office.
What the hell is a squib doing here?
Mein Gott, sind die oberflächlich.
What's a piece of shit Strog doing on board the
Warte
Hannah?
mal. Briefing.
Think he's got a multi-phase transmitter?
Yeah. Get a load of the temporal implants. Those must be wired directly into his cerebral cortex.
Wonder what his RAM is.
Ja, boom, keine Panik, bin ich. Ist
At
okay.
least, Private.
Yes, sir.
Rhino Squad is waiting for you in the briefing.
Zumindest das, was noch übrig ist.
Put it to good use.
Ja, ich hatte mit so einem Mundschau wird nicht mehr gelungen.
Shit, Kane really does look like a freaking Strog.
That's enough, Rhodes. General on deck!
Ah, yeah, Matthew Kane, our wayward Strog. Can he be trusted?
The doctors have given him a clean bill of health.
Very good. It's been determined the Nexus is too vast to be hurt by one EMP bomb, or a dozen for that matter. The Strog communication network needs to be cut off at the source. And that source is housed in this building, the core. We're about to execute a massive assault to destroy the core. Unfortunately, it's very well protected. We'll need to access the security stations at the tops of these nearby towers. Data storage, networking, and data processing.
And that would be where Corporal Kane comes in.
Correct. Intelligence believes that because of his Strog physiology, Kane is the only one who can deactivate the security stations. Kane, you most likely are our last best hope of destroying the Nexus. Strauss will need your expertise at the networking tower once we gain control.
Hacking the Strog network will not be an easy task, but with the proper equipment, it can be done.
Very good. Lieutenant Morris, you have the floor.
All right, gentlemen. This one's gonna turn the tide of the war. So stay sharp. Strauss, you're being transported by land. Kane, you're going out with the next part of Salt Wave. The launch bay is nearby.
Battle stations. A Strog force is incoming. Flyers and ground troops are confirmed.
Guess they brought it to us. Let's make them regret it. Move out!
Move out, sagt er. Gear up, wieder mal. Ja gut. Scheiße, wo geht denn aussehen? Geht mir das gleiche Problem, gell?
Exterior shields sustaining heavy damage.
Da raus, gell?
Strong flyers approaching at 3 o'clock. I'm on them. Damn, just keep coming.
Shields are at 86%.
Scheiße, wie schaut denn aus? Ausrüstung.
Crap. Can't get a lock on the flyers. They're coming in too low. Here. I'll get to them. Target them visuals. The shotgun.
Ja, pass auf, das haben wir, gell?
Rerouting
We
power
load it all at once now.
Und dann möchte er jetzt
Ah! Yeah, take that.
Launch Bay. Wo haben wir die?
My turret's been hit.
Walker Hangar.
Damn it, shields now's not the time. 63%.
Harvesters approaching
Launch
on the
bay.
left flank. We need walkers over there ASAP. They're trying to take engineering.
Warning, exterior shields are at 48%.
Walker Bison 5 is on fire.
Ja, so mir, ja.
Flanks out of there.
Bin ich nicht als Schüler, du.
Get us some air support right now or we're all dead men. They're all over the place. I can't stop them.
Aft shields intermittent. Damage reported on deck 2
Warning. Da sind wir.
Badger Squad, this is HQ. Set up a defensive position at coordinates 43 by 82. Render assistance to Bison Squad.
Da ist auch zu.
Advancing the coordinates 4382.
Da Buben, kennt ihr eh aus.
Shields have dropped to 29% down.
All systems are go. You are...
Where the hell is that air support? ETA is 3 minutes. We are close to that bomb. That's for you.
Exterior shields are at 13%.
This is Bay 42.
Pass auf, wo gehen die rein?
Running diagnostics for the launch site. There's just too damn many.
Da rein.
King, I would remind you the existence of all humanity rests on your shoulders, but I wouldn't want you to feel any pressure. So, all I will say is, don't get yourself killed, my friend. Good luck, sir. Automated navigation will take you right to the data storage terminal.
Welcome,
Die Dame
Corporal
besonders, es gibt einen
Matthew
gepflegten
Kane.
Abflug.
Navigation online.
Okay, Buben, festhalten.
We have strong boarding parties on decks 2 and 3.
Engine prep cycle complete.
Control, I'm having a little trouble with navigation.
Etwa, Zündung.
Retransmitting on flight plan.
Prepare for launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First wave is launched, all pods are in the green.
Hey, du dir, im Sturzflug.
Damage from here. There's anti-aircraft coming in from all directions. Do not deviate from assigned flight plans. Mayday, mayday, I'm hit. The dog down. The shields around the terminals are affecting navigation. Watch your landing vectors. There's a fire in my pod. I can't get fire suppression to activate. Navigation center will fly by.
Du dir, Schimpanz, gib ich gleich mitgenommen. Alter, was eine Bruchlandung. Ja, pass auf, meine Knarren habe ich alle.
Your pod came in pretty hard.
Der Schockli. Du sag mal, Schockli, kennt dich du aus da?
All Marines at the storage tower. This is Lieutenant Hollenbeck. Regroup at my position ASAP.
Regruppieren, schon wieder. Da mal ständig.
Multiple human squads detected on hangar floor. Tactical teams
Shit, my nav computer is screwed up. I'm gonna crash.
repair droid to fire hazard in section 1.
Du sag mal, Schockli.
Out of this pod.
Haben wir einen Service? Kein Service. Der ist servicelos. Aha, meine Freund. Wo den Blaust außer. Der hilft gerade schweres Geschütz, geht bei denen nicht. Wenn sie es kapieren. Hey, da ist er. Eine Weste. Ja und? Also, das war so gedacht. Da brennt's ganz munter. Da brennt auch hier unten. Ah. Na, oder wenn der brennt. Am liebsten habe ich, wenn er tot ist. Ja, mir kommt das so voll, hätten die ein bisschen Panik, ha? Nächste Bruchlandung.
Lieutenant Morse, Corporal Kane just showed up.
Da Hollenbeck, da schon her. Lang sind wir gesehen.
Got it. Hollenbeck out. Kane, good to meet you. Those torso things are supplying bioelectric power to this facility, but they've been shut off. Take the elevator down below and reactivate them so we can open the door to that hangar and let our guys...
System offline.
Got it?
We've done it, HQ. We've broken into the main armory.
Reaktivieren. Repairbots. Mach mal. Und dann möchte er jetzt da rein oder da hinten. Wie schaut denn aus? Geht da schon was? Ja gut. Dann jump ich halt oben. Da schon, nicht die Westen. Ja, pass auf. Achso, da bin ich immer, gell? Da bin ich da hinten. So, der Trottel. Lass ihn rennen.
Hangar floor damage reaching critical levels.
Ja Mann, was haben wir so schönes? Eine Knarre. Wie schaut denn aus, Grüdi? Bumm, Finger weg. Die Dark Matter Gun, oh Gott. Alles, nicht mit mir, geh. Zum Spaß bin ich nicht gepflegt. So, ja. Scheiße. Gespeichert habe ich. Da erinnert beim Hollenbeck. Also, da waren wir schon. Dann war es ja gar nicht so weit. Gott sei Dank. Pass auf, mein Westen. Er brennt.
Reaching critical levels.
Also, warte mal. Meine fehlenden Partikel. Gut, ja. Warte noch. Ladies, es reicht. Tu die Nägel raus. Haben wir genug? Jetzt hat er genug. Jetzt hat er mir die Dark Matter Gun spendiert. Wie schaut denn aus? Ja, und sieh da. Also. Der Rutger und der Mills. Eine Versteckung. Und dann fahren wir wieder mal mit dem Aufzug. Aber jetzt wir wieder hinten ab. Also. Gibt ja nichts zum Abräumen.